In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the seller name and storefront on Amazon. Whether you're a frequent Amazon shopper or just someone looking to verify a seller's reputation, knowing how to find the seller name and storefront can provide useful insights and enhance your shopping experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the product page of the item you're interested in. Navigate through Amazon until you find the listing that catches your eye. Got it? Great. Now, pay close attention to the information listed under the price or the buy options. Here, you'll often notice something like sold by ABC Store and fulfilled by Amazon. Alternatively, it could say ships from and sold by XYZ. The ABC Store, or XYZ in this instance, is the seller's name. This little piece of information is essential as it gives you a way to research who you're buying from, ensuring they have a good track record and provide quality service. Now, here's the key part. That seller name is usually a clickable hyperlink. When you click on it, you're immediately taken to the seller's profile or their storefront page. This is a valuable step because it gives you a broader view of what else the seller offers and allows you to learn more about them. It's an excellent way to check out reviews and ratings, which can reassure you or alert you to potential issues before you make a purchase. Once you're on the storefront page, I want you to take a look at the URL at the top of your browser. This is where you can find the seller ID, also referred to as the merchant ID or seller ID. In the URL, look for parameters like seller or ME. Following the equal sign, you'll find a string of alphanumeric characters. This string is unique to each seller and acts as their ID on Amazon's platform. For example, if the URL is amazon.com/sp, encoding UTF-8 and ASIN XSXN seller, BCD134XYZ, then ABCD1234XYZ is the seller ID you're looking for. Why is this important? Well, sometimes the same seller operates under different storefront names, or perhaps you're trying to track a specific seller for quality or shipping concerns. Knowing how to find the seller ID can be an essential part of being a savvy shopper. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to identify and research Amazon sellers confidently. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, enhancing your overall buying experience. Remember, a little research can go a long way in ensuring you receive the best products and services. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping.